Hi Jenny, my name is Cindy Romero and I'm replying to a post about a job opening in your company, Happy Tales. I've already submitted my application as well as my resume, but I did want to also give you a little bit about myself off of paper. I'm currently living in Twin Falls, but I am willing to relocate if you are interested in hiring me. I do have animals and I love animals. I've always felt the need to always have an animal around, cat, dog. I've even lived on a farm, so I've raised cows, horses, and so I'm very in tune with animals, I feel, and I love them, and I just something that I always enjoy doing is hanging out with animals. And then a little bit more into depth was those three questions that you asked the interviewees to answer. The first one being about an obstacle that we have had to overcome that kind of stood in the way of a goal, of meeting a goal or a commitment. And how did we react to that situation? So I recently had a situation at work where I was given several tasks at once while someone else was on maternity leave. And I was never told how to do these tasks. I was just told to get them done. So my reaction to this situation is definitely not to stress and ask for help when I needed it. So it was definitely a learning curve, but I made sure to do research. I made sure to communicate with the right people, and I wanted to let people know about me not meeting any deadlines if that was the case. So then finally, after trial and error, just as anything else you have to learn, I was able to accomplish the tasks and move forward. So people were proud of me, and I received a lot of thank yous, especially from the girl who was out on maternity leave. So on to your next question was, what single project or task would you consider your most significant career accomplishment to date? So I would say probably graduating from the College of Southern Idaho with not one but two associates. This was just about, I think, the last time in 2016. I graduated with my second associates. I didn't walk, but it was still a great accomplishment for me. And I did make my parents proud, so I love to see them smile and know that their sacrifices of them coming to the United States when they were younger to give us a better future. So it's something that I feel is better for my career in the future. It'll open doors. But then I know that I'm making my parents and my family and my husband proud. So it's something that I use as a great accomplishment. And then to your last question is, what is something you'd be happy doing every single day for the rest of your life? So like I mentioned before, working with animals is something that I've always imagined myself doing. So I think if I were to ever end up in a place where I could take care of animals, or even found a company where they would treat animals and maybe shelter animals, like a humane society, a shelter, a foster care system, or just like what you have your company Happy Tales, offering services to animals and their owners and pampering them, because I mean they're our best friends, so why not do that for our animals that are always there for us? So I hope that you are able to not have any problems viewing this video, as well as you receive my application. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I left my contact information on my application. And I hope you have a great day.